Hi guys, and welcome to a Vlogmas day 19! I'm gonna pop you guys here for like a few minutes or so. Hi! So basically I am officially back with another Vlogmas. So my last Vlogmas was the 11th, and then because I had a sore throat I couldn't vlog anymore, and then the illness, the cold, hit me like a truck and I had to take a few days off. I actually had to have like a day off work because I just couldn't function as a human being. So that happened, and I've been working after that. I've had a few long shifts, so I haven't had time to pick up my phone and film something. But today is Wednesday the 19th and something exciting is happening, and I am going with a friend to Peggy Porschen, which I feel like is like a tradition now when it's like Christmas or it's like springtime or Halloween or whatever. Me and my friends go to Peggy Porschen and have cake and coffee for like £12, and I honestly am feeling deja vu right now. I'm just seeing myself in my mind in this dress saying these words. Does anyone else get that? If they're talking to someone or they're thinking about something, they're having deja vu that they've lived this moment. Anyway, so yeah, so tomorrow I will be vlogging as well, and I think I'm literally just going to stick to either days off or, if I'm feeling it, vlogging in the evening, but it depends how I feel, because I feel like this Vlogmas this year was kind of like a bit difficult, and I just started to not really enjoy it because I was keep thinking of filming something when I was tired from coming home from work. So yes, so yeah, that is what's happening today and how I'm feeling, and can't believe it's like the 19th. It's basically Christmas already, which is exciting. And talking about Christmas, let's open the advent calendar, which I've missed doing on camera, to be honest. Yes! Also, don't mind that, that's a parrot's present. So number 19 I've already seen is here. As you can see, we've had a lot of doors opened. There's been some good ones, and let's see what's in here. Hey, it's a cream egg and the little bubbles on the door. Yes. I have now just wrapped the present for my pet parrot Basil, and literally looks like this. It's so freaking cute. And I've just done my bag for when I go out because I need a cute bag for Instagrams, and I'm using my Skinny Dip Star Adley bag, and it is the best thing I've ever bought this year for winter wear, and it's just so pretty. But anyway, I'm literally just waiting to go soon because I need to catch the train to get to Victoria Station, which is like a 5-minute walk from Peggy Porschen, if you're wondering where the nearest station is. And I just want to show off my nails because they are so pretty, and they're like new look pure colour nails. I never normally wear new look nails, but I got a gift of like nail paints from them for Christmas like a couple years ago, and these are so festive. I just feel like I've got them done professionally because they're so pretty. So that is literally all I'm doing this morning. So I will be getting ready, and I'm going to be wearing my cozy Primark coat, which is so fluffy. So yeah, I will catch you soon. So in the next few clips you'll be seeing cute montages of me going around central London and having cake for lunch. Yes, because you can't go wrong with cake at Christmas for lunch. from exploring Chelsea and Central London with my friend. It was so much fun, as you guys saw in the little clips I left just previously, and the 1975 has decided to play. I thought it was broken. Okay, I'm gonna pause it quickly. As I was saying before, I was really interrupted by music. I had an amazing time, and I'm really grateful that I got to spend today with Sophie. She's an amazing friend and colleague from work, and I will leave her Instagram in the description box below because it is gold, and she is also an amazing illustrator, and I want like loads of stationery and like fashion and like anything with her illustrations on. She's so talented. So yeah, you guys should really go follow her. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I just want to show you guys quickly, I got my 2 favourite magazines today while I was out. I got oooooh and Frankie, and these are just really amazing independents if you're into like illustrations as well, art, photography, fashion, life, books, anything creative. It is right up your street. I'll probably talk about them more in tomorrow's Vlogmas, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, supporting me on my little hobby, and have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas video for even more fun and frolics. Be sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye!